Is there such thing as the perfect wardrobe? When I downsized my wardrobe to fit into a suitcase, when my husband and I had decided to travel full-time, I scrutinized every article of clothing. I wanted to have the perfect minimalist year-round wardrobe so that I wouldn't need to change anything. Thinking ahead and planning out all possible scenarios so that I would always have all of the clothes I would need. What I found is that there's no such thing as the perfect wardrobe. Like the constant change in life, so are wardrobes. Clothes wear out or get accidentally left behind when packing. Weight fluctuates. Sometimes the so-called perfect outfit isn't so ideal when you wear it a few times. Activities and situations come up that I could have never anticipated. Adapting my nomadic lifestyle, I have become more flexible in my approach to many things, but especially to my clothes. My wardrobe is simple and minimal, with basic items that I can mix and match. I have a collection of mindfully selected pieces, but I don't obsess over the number of things I own or what I choose to keep. This is what my flexible, minimalist, year-round wardrobe looks like. I have neutral, earth-toned, solid colors in my wardrobe. This is so that I can create multiple outfits with just very few items. These base layer tops are the foundation of my wardrobe. I wear them in hot weather and layer them in cold weather. Tank tops are a necessity in tropical weather like Costa Rica. They also double as my yoga and hiking tops. I prefer a thicker material with a high neck for activities, plus one neutral camisole to go under my blouses. T-shirts are the things that I wear most often. I wear them so often, in fact, that they tend to wear out fairly quickly. Actually, I've worn out 2 t-shirts already that need to be replaced. I tend to stick to white and cream blouses because they pair easily with a variety of bottoms. I have one crisp white dressy button-up and a casual cream one. 2 white linen blouses, one with the collar and one tunic. Sweaters are perfect for tossing on in cool spring or fall weather and layering under coats in the winter. I wear this lightweight cream V-neck sweater probably the most often because it's so versatile. A basic cotton lightweight sweater that I usually wear outside when I'm doing yoga. A thick fisherman sweater for winter, plus a black turtleneck. My favorite sweater is this wool black wrap. I can wear it as a jacket, a robe, under a coat, or on the plane. My pants are very diverse to add variety and function to my wardrobe. All wardrobes need a good pair of jeans that you love. These retro, high-waisted, wide-leg jeans are my favorite. Heels dress them up, and sandals make them perfect to wear in the summer. Wide-legged, lightweight tan pants can be dressed up or dressed down. navy corduroy pleated pants, plus a white and a gray linen pant for summer days. I have 2 pairs of recreational pants. Both of them have tons of stretch in them, so they're great for hiking or travel. Olive green and gray. And 2 pair of black yoga athletic pants. Only 1 athletic skirt for outdoor activities in the summer. I love how versatile skirts are. I have 2 long skirts, one in cream, the other in green. They can be worn with tank tops, blouses, or sweaters. This way I can wear them year-round. Dress them up for a night out with a pair of heels, or throw on tennis shoes for walking around town. Because everything I own fits in my suitcase, I only have shoes that are absolutely necessary and very versatile. Beach flip-flops, sandals, casual shoes I can wear walking and hiking, boots, and heels. Accessories are a great way to add variety and a little bit of fun to my basic wardrobe. My jewelry is simple, with only silver or gold necklaces and earrings that I can wear every day or to dress up an outfit. I have a few rings that I always wear and a couple of beaded bracelets. One straw hat for those sunny, hot days, a packable down coat. With my hand knit scarf and beanie, it's perfect for winter. A lightweight scarf I wear casually, hiking, and as a wrap to the beach. This woven shawl is so unique and it's the most recent thing to my wardrobe. I love it because it doubles as a wrap or as a blanket. I only have one purse. It's a neutral brown leather, so it can go with all of the outfits that I wear. Rounding out my wardrobe with the basics like a pair of pajamas, a swimsuit, and undergarments. This is the least amount of clothes I have ever owned, and I'm pleasantly surprised with how satisfied I am with my minimalist capsule wardrobe. It's simple, yes, and minimal, yet I feel like I can dress for any occasion and season. I really appreciate you watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Have a beautiful day, my friends.